Earthquake! Oh my god! Oh, I better tell everyone on Facebook! OMG, massive earthquake, gasp emoji, crying emoji, hashtag drop, cover, hold. Safe. Everyone get in the doorway, quick! Jacob! Jacob, what's the matter? Are you okay? The Wi-Fi's down! Just use your data! That's the problem. I have no data. Oh my god, the damage in here is surreal! Poor soap. You'll be right. That was a bit of a jolt, wasn't it? Danger, danger, the world's about to end! Bro, it was a tiny jolt, it's alright. Hey, don't you take these matters lightly, you son of a Take these tissues! I don't need tissues. We're gonna need all the water we can get. Here, take these. Piss off. And while you're at it, big crate.